Now let us see. Now the 12 Swarasthanas you have revised. So theoretically you know it because
Yeah.
I'm sure you are very familiar with that.
Yeah.
But when producing that sound is more important. When you produce that sound, what happens? You should be more accurate whether you are singing the re1 or the re2. And one more thing, let me clarify to revise your understanding of the 12 Swarasthanas. Why 16 became 12? Why 16?
Because re3 and Ga1 is the same. It is at the same frequency.
Uh, re2,
re3 and Ga1.
re2 and Gavan,
Re
re2 and Gavan,
re2 and
re3
Ga1.
and
Okay.
Gatu.
re3 and Ga2.
Similarly for Dhani.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So that is why the 16 became 12.
Well.
Or rather, they are understood as 12.
Yeah.
But when we sing a raga,
Hmm.
or when we sing the scale of the raga, suppose now, see, I'm going to, now you are going to just, since your veena is not tuned, I'm going to ask you to do it
Yeah.
vocally.
Oh.
Right? Again, the 12 swaras, how they are arranged
Mm-hmm.
in a scale, that gives you the frame of the raga. Not essentially you should have all 7 notes. Not essentially you should have all the 7 notes in the same krama or the order. Right? So there can be 3 options: all 7 notes, omitting some notes, then maybe all 7 notes but in irregular order. That is the process where lakhs and lakhs of melodies or ragas are generated. Simple, one sentence. Right? But now when we learn the scale as a beginner or when we try to understand the scale, we are doing it in Maya Mala Gaula, which is having set of certain notes in Indian music. That is what we use Maya Mala Gaula. So that is having Shadja. Please
Shadja,
repeat.
Shaba,
Shuddha Rishabha,
Gantaram,
Shuddha Rishabha,
Shuddha Shaba,
Shuddha
Gantara,
Antara Gandhara,
Shuddha Madhyamam,
Shuddha
and then
Madhyama,
Panjamam.
Panchama,
Yeah. And then Daivatam, Shuddha Daivatam, and then
Shuddha
Kartik
Devatam.
Nishtadam.
Excellent. And the same krama happens in the Avarohana also. Right? Now, when you check the Western system, they use a different set of notes which they call as the major scale, where it will the re and dha will be replaced by the higher
Mm-hmm.
frequency or
Okay.
the higher note, which we call Chatushruti Rishabha and
Shuddhi Daivatam. Daivatam.
Chatushruti Devata. That's all other notes
Mm-hmm.
being common. So the color or the tone of the
Yeah.
raga is different. We call it C major scale and we call it here
Shankarabaranam.
Shankarabharana. Right?
Yeah.
Theoretically, that is okay. But now how to produce it by vocal? In a veena or in a keyboard or in a violin also, I can tell you the
Mm.
placement of the notes. Okay, the higher
Yeah.
naga next,
Yeah.
low na next. Easy.
Yeah.
But voice like, so let us try the Shankarabharana
Mm-hmm.
notes also.
Okay.
Shankarabharana notes will be same, similar, or rather same,
Yeah. Yeah.
other than the
Yeah.
re and the dhaivata, Rishabha and dhaivata, to the same pitch.
Yeah.
When you are singing different ragas,
Mm.
one thing to note: keep the shadja fixed.
Mm.
If you don't keep the shadja fixed, understanding of the note,
Yes. Yes.
next note becomes
Ah.
so confusing. Because now, if from A, if I had reduced to a half
Mm.
semitone, what will happen? This A will sound like Shuddha
Yes.
Rishabha for me.
நம்ம பிச்சை மாத்திரச்சா வந்து அதோட ரெஸ்பெக்டிவ் ரீகா வந்து it will get
அந்த பிட்ச் தான் இப்ப விளையாடுற கிரிக்கெட்
ah
விளையாடுறதுக்கு நம்ம ஒரு
ah
பிச்சுன்னு வைப்போம்ல, அது விட்டு
yeah
விளையாடினா
Yes.
Gone. The game is
Six
gone,
finger, not
right?
six,
Same
four
way.
is not
So,
four.
and
Yeah,
the distance,
exactly.
then
Here it is
here
only
the
the
distance
frequency.
is of the
Yeah.
sound. The distance of the sound.